Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the hardware and app so the phone and watch can talk. Make sure the watch has at least 20% charge and is powered on, then open Realme link on your phone. Pair via Bluetooth when the app prompts, and grant location and notification permissions so sync works reliably. Once paired, navigate to the watch tile inside Realme link. You need the app connected before changing time settings. This avoids conflicts and keeps automatic sync stable as you proceed. Now you decide how the watch will get its time, automatic from your phone or manual entry. Open the watch settings within Realme link, then tap date and time. If you choose automatic, the watch will inherit the phone's time zone and DSD adjustments. This is simplest. If you pick manual, enter hours and minutes and confirm AM or PM. Also set the date if needed. Make sure to save or tap apply so the watch accepts the new values before moving on. Finish by syncing and verifying the result on the watch face. You should see the updated time within a few seconds. If the watch still shows the old time, reboot it, power off, wait 10 seconds, then power on, and reopen Realme link to force a fresh sync. If problems continue, make sure your phone's time zone is correct and the app has background Bluetooth and location permission. These steps resolve most sync errors quickly and keep your watch showing accurate time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.